Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-40T-DN-BCD-NEMA end-of-period automation production processing downtimer. What the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to essentially keep the production lines going in a streamlined fashion from two separate locations. So in other words, it's going to be showcasing the downtimer from two different locations. And how it works is the client will mount the enclosure from two separate locations via our wall mounts, which can be located on each of the four corners on the back of the enclosures. And then the client sets the desired time to count down from via our BCD rotary switches, which can be located in the inside of the master enclosure. And then utilize our SWRMSS to start and stop the downtimer and reset it and start it and reset it back to the time it's set to. So now I'm going to go over the function of this model and showcase how it's meant to work. So as you can see, we have a master and secondary NEMA enclosure, so whatever happens on the master side, it's going to happen on the secondary as well. As I've stated before, the BCD rotary switches are located inside of the master unit, and if we wanted to get to it, we just have to simply put it down on its back. And as you can see, we have two latches with a little lock on the left side, so we just press down on that first, and then we just lift up the latch. Do the same thing for this one. And now we can open the lid that covers the digit cover. Now we have to unscrew these two screws at the bottom of the corner on the digit cover. Just unscrew these. And now that we have those unscrewed, we can now lift over the digit cover, and it reveals the BCD rotary switches right here, along with the control terminals and our opto board. And it showcases how the junction box is wired directly into the terminal controls right here. And in order to switch the time of day, you would need a flathead screwdriver. For this demonstration, we have it set to count down from 1 minute, and we're going to stick with that. It can only showcase the hours and minutes, so that's hours, and minutes. So I'm just going to quickly put this back together. So now I'm going to showcase the downtimer in action, and we're going to have it count down from 1 minute, which is what we have it set to, as I've stated before. And we do this with our SWRMSS control box. So as you can see, we have 3 buttons right here that are green, red, and black. One starts and stops the downtimer, one resets and starts the downtimer, and then one simply just resets it. So just going to press down on the green button, and as you can see, the countdown timer is starting because the colons in the center is flashing, and we're going to just wait 1 minute and showcase what happens when the downtimer reaches 0. So as you can see, the end of period alarm goes off and the digits are now flashing. That signifies that the timer has reached 0. And that causes the piezo alarm to go off, and it causes the digits to start flashing, and it will continue to flash until it reaches 0 again, and then the piezo alarm will sound off for 3 seconds as well. So now I'm going to go over the hardware aspect of this model. As you can see, these are a NEMA 4X IP66 rated polycarbonate enclosures, making them completely waterproof. The display size for each of these digits is 4 inches, and they can be viewed up to a total of 200 feet away. The number of digits that each of these units has is 4 digits and can display only the hours and minutes, so it can count down from a total of 99 hours and 59 minutes, and it does not display the seconds. Its power type is a grounded 120 to 240 VAC 3-prong power connector for each unit, and they are powered individually. So they're not powered directly off of each other. They each come with their own 3-prong VAC power connector. For mounting, as I've stated before, we have our 4 through holes in the back in the corner of the enclosure. And lastly, for accessories, we have our SWRMSS 3 green, red, and black push button switch with 25 feet of cabling, which can be located on the master enclosure, and that is what it's connected to. The secondary is dependent off of the master and it's also directly wired to each other. And we also have our DC-40T-DN-BCD-NEMA-EOP 7595 buzzer in each display, and it can be adjusted via the piezo bezel on the left side of the enclosures. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-40T-DN-BCD-NEMA end of period automation processing production downtimer. Thanks for watching.